time that you guys come back, and I thank you so much for all the kind words and the support. It means the world to me. So I have an unboxing. This is from Paint Gems, and I want to give you like a little story. So I have ordered this original. This is the original order that I have put out, that I'm struggling to get out of the box. And so I had put in my address, and I didn't pay attention, but it had my apartment number where the address was, and it had the street number and all of that where the apartment number was. Didn't pay any attention, and I got a notification. They said that they were unable to deliver, and I'm like, I reached out to Paint Gems, and I said, oh, I'm so sorry, I'm such an idiot, I forgot, I put in the address wrong, and they said, oh, that is okay. They said, we're gonna give you a $40 coupon for a kit for your troubles, and I'm like, well, that is extremely sweet, because it was my fault. So I cannot stress enough how much I appreciate and am so thankful for Paint Gems, their customer support. So then I got another one. So I got 2 Paint Gems. So we'll get into this. I got the Christmas edition, and I probably will actually do this one at Christmas time. So it's 16 designs, and this just slides on if you have never ordered from them before, and then slides up. I truly appreciate good customer support. I mean, because they could have said, you know, hey, that's your problem, not ours, but they didn't. So, comes in this lovely box. And here are the drills. And I believe all of Paint Gems drills are squares, so these are squares. Okay. And then here is a cool kit. Comes in this like little cotton bag. And with it, okay. So I just got a white Pimm's with a single dip, black squishy, and some tweezers. Also, this is probably like a 10 placer and then a 3 placer. A boat, and then this cute little, and I threw it, oh, okay. Heart shape with some heart shape wax. So there is that. Okay. Here are the drills. Here are the canvases. All right, so where's my? Oh. So we have a Christmas stocking. Oh, I like these. Is you just do the stocking, not the background. I like that. So a snowman. And a snow globe with a gingerbread house in it. And a Christmas wreath. Oh, it says Merry Christmas, and it's, I think it's like holly. Oh, cute. poinsettias. I was thinking, what is this called? So it's Merry Christmas with surrounding some poinsettias and Christmas ornaments. This is so stinking cute. And then here's another Christmas I'm trying to see. It doesn't say what it is. Like just like a Christmas, like a house decorations. And I think it looks like a bird to me, but maybe it's more Christmas ornaments. Yeah. Not quite sure what that is. Maybe it's orange. No, I don't know. I don't know. There's a snowflake. And then that's the top of the house, maybe? And it doesn't give the name on the box, so, but that's okay. And then we have a Christmas tree. These are stinking cute. And then there's Santa. And then this is, I don't know. But I think more holly and more greens. And then I think, oh, a candle. Duh. This is a Christmas candle. Lord. These look like, yes, they're Christmas mittens. And then here's an eel. And then this is how they do their color sheet. And these are individual, so if you wanted to kit up, you could take these off and put them on your containers. When I do partials, I normally just grab one color, do that, and so forth till I finish. So I don't normally kit up like I would for a big canvas. But that is their Christmas edition. All right. So there is that. So let me put everything back. So I keep everything together. And the only thing that I will keep out of there is the boat and the little tweezers. I used to think that those little plastic tweezers weren't really good, but I find that they're really helpful when I am when you're doing special drills and you have those like oversized drills, to pick them up with that. That helps a lot. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Now, this one is the food edition. So I jumped on the bandwagon. I've seen so many people. Diamond Painting with Chantal absolutely loves doing foods. So I thought, you know what? Why not? So I got the same. I got the food edition. Same toolkit, so I'm not going to go through that. And here are all the drills. And it is a square. Like I said, I think all of theirs are squares. And I did the mystery edition one, and I thought, oh my God, I am going to run out of drills, but I didn't. So they give you enough drills to do what you, to finish your picture. So this one is, and here's our, the legend of the color chart. Oh, and what I didn't notice on the other one is that it is numbered down at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Like this 10, 20, so they're out of order, but that's okay. I think it's 21. So we have a hot dog with some fries. That's so cute. And this is Tom Yang. I have absolutely no idea what that is, but it's Tom Yang. Tom Yam. Tom Yam. And then this one is Tahili. I have no idea what that is either. And then there's a burger with a drink. I'm going to say it's a Diet Dr. Pepper with vanilla because that is one of my favorites. And then here is a pizza. So that, yeah, there's 21 because this is 21 and this is number 5. And then this is sushi. And then this is a breakfast one. Toast and fried egg with the bacon. And again, you just do the picture, not the background, which I really enjoy that. And here's some tacos. And then this is ramen. Yeah. Oh, that sounds good. I have been craving Thai food so bad for like probably the last 3 weeks. And this is a Greek salad. Well, they say Greece salad. And then this is, I will never be able to pronounce this, but they're noodles, jazuli. So you can get these with like pork, or I don't know if you can get beef, but it's like, I don't know, I've had it before. It's not like really one of my favorites, but it's good. Like I said, I've had it before, it's good, but it's not like when I go to a Thai place or Indian place. I think this would be considered more Thai. But anyway. And then this one is, I'm looking glass. It's got a glass of wine. Oh, it's pasta. It's pasta. There's a glass of wine, and then pastas, and probably meatballs, maybe. So I can't wait to work on these. These are really cute. And I truly appreciate the fact that you are not having to do all of this background. You're just doing the picture itself. So I appreciate that immensely. Okay. So that is my Paint Jam haul. Everything, I'm trying to be very good, put everything back so I don't have like this big gigantic mess. Because I am finding, you guys may remember I moved to a 1-bedroom apartment, and which I love, but the minute you leave anything out, it does not take long to have your apartment look a hot mess. So I am trying to keep everything kind of trying to keep it nice and neat so that I am not constantly cleaning, because then it takes away from my diamond painting time. Who wants that? Not me. Okay, that's all I got for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, if you'll hit that like button on the way out, it helps my channel, and I thank you so much for it. If you would like to join my Love Struggle Bus family, I would appreciate that. So if you'll hit that subscription button and also hit the bell to be notified each and every time I put out a new video, I would appreciate that as well. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Remember to be kind to one another, keep cool, and keep diamond painting, and I will see you in my next video. Hopefully I'll be in a different outfit. Okay, all right guys, bye, have a great day.